this class we'll be answering these questions, and we round it up to the nearest was 3 significant figure. Okay, so let's start. We have solution. For the first one, we're given that I equals to what? N A over R plus N R. Okay, and we're given our N to be 4. So N will be 4. That is, instead of me to write N, I'll write 4 times, what is our E? Our E is given to be 1.08. 1.08 over, what's our R? 5. 5 plus, what is N? N is equals to what? 4, right? Okay, that will be 4 times, this is N times R. That is 4 times, what is our R? 0.04. 0.04. Okay, so this gives 4 times 1.08. Here we have 4 times 1.08. That gives us 4.32. So here we have 4.32 over, here we have what? 5, because according to BODMAS, multiplication comes before addition. So I will multiply this and this together before adding it to this 5. So this will be 5 plus, so I said that multiplication comes before addition. So this will be 4 times 0.04. We have 4 times 0. Okay, 4 times 0.04, and that gives us 0.16. 0.16. So for the numerator, I have 4.32 over 5 plus 0.16. That will give me 5.16. Okay, so 4.32 divided by 5.16. 4.32 divided by 5.16. That gives me, you can see that we have 0.8372 and so on. But we have to round it up to the nearest what? To the nearest 3 significant figure. Now we start from where figure starts. This is not figure, we don't count to 0, but we start from where figure starts, which is 1, 2, 3. So I will stop here. So that gives me what? Our final answer is equals to what? 0.837. That is our correct answer for question number 1. Let's go to question number 2. That is our A. So let's go to B. B, here we have A equals to P into bracket 1 plus R all over 100. Everything to bracket raised to the power of what? N. So now I want to substitute the parameters given, the value given into this equation. So I have P. What is P? This is the value of P. So I will write it 285 plus 79. There's a bracket here. Bracket 1 plus, what's our R? Our R is equals to this. That is 5.25 over 100. Close the bracket. Everything raised to the power of what? N. And our N is equals to what? 12. So we have 285.79 to bracket 1 plus, okay, according to BODMAS, as I've said, bracket is the first thing there. Do we have any bracket here? Yes, there's a bracket. So we solve the one inside the bracket first. So here I have 1 plus 5.25 divided by 100. That gives me what? 0.0525. 5. Everything all into what? Raised to the power of 12. Raised to the power of 12. I hope you are following. Okay, so I have 285.79 into brackets 1 plus this. If I should add this and this together, it gives me 1.0525 all to the power of what? 12. Okay, so I have 285.79 1.0525 raised to the power of 12. What would that give me? That give us 1.0525 raised to the power of what? To the power of 12. So it gives me 1.8478. So if I now multiply this and this together, what would that give me? That would be 285.79 times 1.8478. Yes. Okay, so this gives us 528.08. But we have to round it up to the nearest what? 3 significant figures. So this is where the figure starts. 1, 2, 3. I will stop here. But if I stop here, what's the next thing? This is 0. If I round it up, it will still give me 0. So our final answer for this is 528. So let's jump to the third one. That is our C. We're given that P equals to A, open brackets, NV divided by U, close the bracket, to the power of 3 over 2, all over 1 plus NV over U raised to the power of 3. And then so we're given that our A is equal to what? 40. That will be, instead of me writing here, I will write 40 into brackets. What is our N? Our N is equal to what? 2.5. That is 2.5 times, this is N times V. So it becomes 2.5 times, what is our V? Our V is 42.75. 42.75 all over, you can see this, over U. What is our U? Our U is 30. 30, close the bracket. Everything raised to the power of what? 3 over 2 over, we have 1 plus our N, 2.5 times our V times 42.75 all divided by U, 30. Everything here to the power of what? 3. Okay, so we have 40 into bracket 2.5 times 42. Sorry, 2.5 times 42.75. 2.5 times 42.75. So this gives me 106 points. You see that I punched this. This is in fraction form, but this is in decimal form. So 106.875 divided by 30. Close the bracket. Raised to the power of what? 3 over 2 over 1 plus, open bracket, this times this is the same thing as this times this, so it will still give me this. That is 106.875 divided by 30 all to the power of what? 3. Okay, so this give 40 to bracket 106.875 divided by 30. So answer divided by 30, it gives me 3.5625 all to the power of what? 3 over 2 over 1 plus, this is the same thing as this, so it will still give me this 3.5625 to the power of what? 3. So this gives me 40. I can further break this one to be, this is the same thing as 40 into bracket 3.5625 close the bracket. This is the same thing as 3 times 1 over 2 as the power. You know, if I use 3 to multiply this one, it will still give me 3, that is over 2, right? Which is still the same thing as this, over 1 plus. Now this one I can just find the power. I can just find 3.5625 raised to the power of 3. 3.5625 raised to the power of 3. That gives us, here we have 45.213. So I have what? 40 into brackets. Now I can just find this 3.5625 raised to the power of 3. Then if I find this raised to the power of 3, I'll be the remaining power that will be left with is what? 1 over 2 here. So if I find this raised to the power of 3, you know, it's still the same thing as this. That is, it will give us 45.213. So the remaining power here is what? 1 over 2 all over 1 plus this. What will it give me? It will give us 46.213. Okay, so here we have 40 times this 45.213 raised to the power of 1 over 2 is the same thing as the square root of 45.213, everything all over 46.213. So here we have 40 times the square root of 45.213 is equals to what? Square root of 45.213. So that gives us 6.72 over 46.213. If I should multiply 40 times 6.72, 40 times 6.72, this gives me what? 268.8 over 46.213, and this is equals to 268.8 divided by 46.213. This gives me what? 5.81. If I approximate this 5, okay, let me just write it 6.5. Now we're told at the beginning that we should leave our answer in 3 significant figures. So this is the first figure, this is the second figure, this is the third figure. If I should leave it here, I will look at the number after it, which is 6. If I round it up, it will give me 1. I will add the 1 to this one, which will be equals to what? 5.82. There's our final answer. Stay tuned for more. Please consider to subscribe, like, comment, and share to your loved ones. Thank you.